Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make very hard drawings easy. Start by observing your subject and simplifying it into fundamental shapes like circles, squares, and triangles. This initial step helps you understand the basic structure and proportions without getting overwhelmed by intricate details. Think of it as building a foundation before constructing the entire house. This approach makes any complex drawing manageable. Once you have your basic shapes, focus on accurate proportions and perspective. Use simple measuring tools, like your pencil, to compare sizes and distances within your drawing. Understanding 1-point or 2-point perspective will add realistic depth to your artwork. Lightly sketch out your horizon line and vanishing points. These guides are crucial for creating a believable 3-dimensional space on a 2-dimensional surface. With your foundational structure and perspective in place, it's time to introduce details and shading. Start with the larger details and progressively move to the smaller ones. Experiment with different pencil grades, from a 2H for light lines to a 6B for deep shadows, to create a rich tonal range. Practice blending techniques and cross-hatching to achieve smooth transitions and add texture, bringing your drawing to life. Remember, drawing is a skill that develops with consistent practice and patience. Don't get discouraged by initial challenges. Every artist starts somewhere. Dedicate a specific amount of time each day, even just 15 minutes, to sketching. Regularly review your drawings to see what worked well and what could be improved. This iterative process is key to refining your technique and achieving your artistic goals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.